Ready to become an ASCP technologist in microbiology? This video gives you everything you need to know about the M ASCP credential. I'll break down the exact eligibility routes, I'll expose the myths that waste your time, and I'll share insider tips to help you pass on the first try. With MLSIAcademy, we help lab professionals crush every ASCP exam. Our team has guided thousands through M ASCP and other certifications. Stay with me, because I'll show a simple study tactic later that most candidates miss. Let's start with the basics. M ASCP stands for Technologist in Microbiology. Through the American Society for Clinical Pathology, it proves you have advanced skill in clinical microbiology. Hospitals and reference labs worldwide value this credential. It can mean higher pay, stronger job security, and a clear path to leadership roles in the lab. Here's the key question: who can apply? The ASCP Board of Certification lists 5 main routes. Each fits a different background. You only need to meet one. Route 1, already certified as an MLSIAcp, and you hold a baccalaureate degree from a regionally or nationally accredited college or university. This is the most direct path for many current MLS professionals. Route 2, a baccalaureate in biological science or chemistry, or a degree with at least 30 semester hours combined in biology and chemistry, plus 1 year of full-time acceptable clinical experience in microbiology within the last 5 years. This path is perfect for candidates who built solid lab skills on the job. Route 3, same degree or coursework as Route 2 plus successful completion of a structured program in microbiology under a NACLS accredited medical laboratory scientist program within the last 5 years. This route blends formal education with specialized microbiology training. Route 4, a master's degree in microbiology or a closely related field plus 6 months of full-time acceptable clinical microbiology experience within the last 5 years. If you hold an advanced degree, this may be your fastest option. Route 5A, baccalaureate in medical laboratory science or a baccalaureate with at least 30 semester hours in biology and chemistry plus completion of a NACLS accredited MLS program within the last 5 years. This route fits graduates of modern MLS programs who focused heavily on microbiology. Meet one of these, and you can apply. Your transcripts must come from a regionally or nationally accredited school. Clinical experience must be in an acceptable laboratory and documented clearly. Now let's talk about the exam itself. The M ASCP exam is computer-based and uses computer adaptive testing. That means the difficulty shifts as you answer do well, and the system gives tougher questions. Your final score reflects both difficulty and accuracy. It's a smart way to measure true skill without endless questions. Expect 100 multiple choice questions. You get 2.5 hours. The content covers bacteriology, mycology, parasitology, virology, laboratory operations, safety, and quality control. Every question tests real-world problem solving. You must know theory, but also how to interpret results, troubleshoot cultures, and apply current guidelines. Passing requires a scaled score of 400 or higher on a 0 to 999 scale. That score is calculated instantly at the testing center. When you finish, you know right away if you passed. Let's discuss cost. As of today, the ASCP application fee for the M ASCP exam is $240. Always check the ASCP site before you register, because fees can change. Common myths hurt preparation. Myth 1, you must memorize every organism ever discovered. Reality, focus on clinically significant bacteria, fungi, parasites, and viruses that appear in diagnostic labs. Myth 2, practice questions alone will get you through. Reality, you need layered study, review textbooks, use high-quality question banks, simulate timed exams to build speed and confidence. Myth 3, experience alone guarantees a pass. Reality, even seasoned techs fail without targeted review of current guidelines and testing methods. Here are 5 proven study moves. First, create a study calendar and stick to it. Divide topics by week, include review and practice test days. Consistency beats marathon cram sessions. Second, use adaptive question banks. They highlight weak areas and mimic the real exam. This mirrors the computer adaptive testing format. Third, teach the material. Explain a process like antimicrobial susceptibility testing out loud. If you can teach it, you truly know it. Fourth, simulate exam conditions. Sit for 2.5 hours with no breaks. Train your mind and body for the Real pressure fifth, track your progress, log scores and topics, spot patterns, and adjust early at MLSIAcademy. We see thousands of candidates every year. Those who pass on the first try do more than memorize, they train like athletes, they practice. Timing, they analyze, mistakes they repeat until answers feel automatic. Preparation should include the top content areas. Bacteriology is the largest section. Master gram stain interpretation, culture media selection, and identification of key pathogens. Mycology requires recognition of yeast and mold morphology. Learn dimorphic fungi, antifungal susceptibility testing, and common clinical presentations. Parasitology includes intestinal and blood parasites. You must identify life cycle stages and key vectors. Virology demands understanding of diagnostic methods. PCR serology and viral culture safety. Laboratory operations covers quality control, proficiency testing, regulatory guidelines, and biosafety procedures. Don't overlook safety questions. They test knowledge of universal precautions, proper waste disposal, and emergency response. Remember, eligibility is only the first step. Strong preparation makes the difference between passing and retesting. Let's recap the M ASCP Technologist in Microbiology. Credential proves advanced microbiology skill. You can qualify through one of 5 routes. The exam is computer adaptive with 100 questions in 2.5 hours. The passing scaled score is 400. Current fee is $240. Success requires focused, layered study. If you want expert guidance, MLSIAcademy offers live classes, video lessons, concise study guides, and massive question banks. Thousands of lab professionals have used these resources to pass their ASCP exams. Check the link in the description. To learn more, in our next video, we'll break down how to create a step-by-step M ASCP study plan that saves time and boosts your score. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Get started today. Your future as an ASCP certified technologist in microbiology is waiting.